Ready? Oh, what? I can't believe it. Oh. 93%, 10.5 kilowatt hours in 30 minutes. That's quite good. Yeah, guys, I didn't even know that the tire is this f***ed. Oh, this is bad. This is really bad with the tire now. I didn't realize it. It's not everywhere, it's just that spot, but where did I get out of here? I mean, I shouldn't have let the tires go down this far. That's a bit silly, but I just hope they will last another 50 miles. I'll take it very easy. It's gonna be an exciting day. Wow, look at this guy. That is awesome. Anyway, the tires have now like 5,600 miles on the clock, which is for sport tires, I think is kind of normal, right? The best tires I had so far were the Continental Road Attack 4. They lasted 23,000 kilometers, I think. It's insane, like really good. These are Pirelli, I think, Rosso, I'm not sure. But I think they're gonna put on the same tires again, but it's okay, like I don't really mind. Quite a soft compound, I think. So they're gonna be really good for this kind of bike. Apparently it's very, very easy to change the tire, like to get off the motor. I mean, Marcus from Verge, he changed the whole motor in a freaking van with an Allen key basically. So that is quite easy, and so will be the tire change. They just have to be careful a little bit because the actual rim is made out of carbon fiber, so we cannot destroy that. I'm gonna be riding super careful now, and I have 40 miles to go. I should make that, I'm quite confident. Tire's bad, but still okay. And I'm off the highway now, so it's only like 20 miles, and I should be alright. We'll be fine, for sure. But it is scary, it is really scary. You should never do that, ever. Oh guys, I'm so relieved. I made it just right here somewhere. It's a bit weird because it's in the middle of nowhere. I did 114 miles today before noon, but it's easy on the highway, you know, like you can just easily do that. So, but I should be here somewhere. I didn't think it was in the middle of nowhere. Oh yeah, English Electric Motor Co. Yeah. There we are. This is cool, it's like a farm. Might be able to plug in here. I heard of this bike. I come for a tire change.
Nice to see you, man. Welcome.
Hey, man. Yeah, hey.
How's it going?
That's in the middle of nowhere here.
Yeah, I know, right?
Awesome, man.
Awesome, right?
Wow, all these bikes.
Welcome.
Look at them. Wow. They have everything here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Have a look at the tire. Wow. Do you think we have to change it?
I do think we need to change
right?
it. Yeah.
Oh my god. But
or another 100 miles, maybe.
But how long do the tires usually last on your bike? But you don't know yet, right?
Good question.
But I think it's okay for a sport tire. Almost 6,000 miles.
Yeah.
It's not too bad, right?
Yeah.
Right.
But yeah, that I was scared. Did you do a wheel like that before?
I didn't.
Oh, it's updating. Oh no.
That's it.
7 hours.
Fucking electric bike. Is this in full power mode?
No, it's in one.
Yeah. Oh yeah, okay, that's good. That's just four.
Think.
Yeah, it's fun, man. Well, I haven't tried it in 5 yet. Crazy. Yeah, it's awesome, right?
We had 3 birds.
How did you find a puddle, man?
That went off-road.
Off-road. Yeah, those guys, they have a lot of electric bikes here. We'll get to the tire change now. Like, those guys are gonna do it. They never did it on this bike, so it's for all of us. Very interesting today. Looks like my tire. Easy. Just casually riding through the shop. Wow. Yeah. You can actually lift the bike up with the normal jack, so that should be no problem. Nathan, is that your first Verge?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you excited?
Interesting.
Interesting, right?
Yeah, it is. It is, yeah.
Well, I'm obviously a pro.
Should be able to.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. I needed a professional.
There you go.
Got it.
Ah, but it says down. Ah, no. I'm stupid. Well, that should be alright. Yeah.
First things we're going to do, we're going to take off these bolts here to push the license plate holder aside. Then we're going to come over to the swing arm. Modular design, we only have to touch this side. 5 hex bolts which will come out. Then, the dirty bit, is we have to take off this ring of torque screws, and then literally the rim's going to be ready for the tire change.
It's actually easier than I thought it would be.
Every job needs a supervisor.
Well, it is a one-man job, is it? Like,
And it's the first time you're doing this, so
yeah.
these are the little things you're going to run into.
Wow. Yeah. I used to work on my Honda Dominator, like old motorcycle. I worked on bikes since I was a kid, but I don't do it anymore as much. Well, usually I never do the tire change anywhere, because like when you go to a shop, well, they have to do it anyway. And I usually have to film it. So, do I start here or here? It doesn't really matter, right?
Probably best on the wheel, yeah.
I really didn't think it was modular like this. That's really cool, actually. It's actually funny that this is the most modern bike that I ever owned. And like, this is the bike that I'm doing the tire change. It's crazy. Okay.
Do you want this one or?
Maybe I'm also just too weak, you know? Did I break it?
No, that's right. There you go.
Well, of course, that's a bolt that has been run for 6,000 miles. That's all right. I've never seen that before, that you can just take off the swing arm like that. That's just insane. Good thing I had a good English breakfast. Okay, so now we have all the bolts off. Now I can just... No way. Okay. So I basically have the swing arm now in my hand. It's quite light too. I didn't expect it to be that light. Well, I think most people expect it to be plastic because it's not a real motorcycle. No, but yeah. And I guess now I have to take all these bolts out here, right? Yeah.
Yep, that's right.
Yeah. Okay. And we're going to film all this in real time so that you know what kind of work it is. You guys don't do it with the machine, right? Because it's a handmade bike, no machine. Now, it would be actually not good for the motor, right, to do that with a machine?
Yeah, we definitely recommend tightening to the right Newton meters, to the right tightness.
Well,
but,
we have to do that later, right?
Not using like a hammer
Yeah.
or anything like that.
Yeah, that's always the thing. Like when you try and explain that to some field mechanics that have no time always, and then you tell them, oh no, you can't do the machine for it, and they're like, no, I do everything with the machine, it's all right, it's fine.
Sometimes they gotta earn their money, right?
Yeah. And then they ruin everything.
I want you.
I like to get my hands dirty every now and then. Like a real bike.
Like a what?
Like a what? After half an hour, I'm now at the last. Oh, it already comes out, does it? Yeah.
I got it.
No, there's one more even.
Oh, okay.
But wait, no, I'll just keep doing this. It's moving.
That's the security guard.
But I'll take this out first. Okay.
Ooh, there you go. I was gonna give the love hammer, but
No, but you don't need.
no need.
No need. Oh, that's actually quite exciting now. I'm taking it off now. Wait, I'll need to clean that now. Oh my god. Okay. Ready? What? I can't believe it. Oh. It's actually, I mean, it's quite light. I mean, this is carbon fiber, so it wouldn't be heavy. Well, that's amazing. I mean, it's quite dirty. I could have cleaned it, right? Well, I just want to point out that this should not look like this. Like, you should never ever ride your tire down to this. But, I mean, I'm a traveler, you know, I didn't really have a choice. Okay. Oh yeah, but this is actually super cool. So the wheel runs around this here. It looks actually quite little now that the wheel is off. Awesome, eh? Well, no, but this would turn, right? I can't believe how light this is. This is insane, really. It's like basically nothing.
Yep.
Like just the tire basically, that weighs basically nothing.
And now what you can see is just what the donut motor really is.
Yeah. It's crazy. So, and yeah. Well, you could you just run it now? No.
Technically you could.
You could.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. But
Put
we
some
don't
fins
do
on
it.
it,
We
maybe
don't do it.
on the snow, but
So I also wanted to show like this because people might not know that this is actually if you come here, like this is the rear brake here, and the brake pads are right here. We can actually have a look at them. They're still good. I think they look quite okay. I mean, no, they could be changed as well at some point. But they will do. I think they will do another 5K maybe.
yeah, I imagine you're using regen most of the time.
Yeah,
So
but
they-
I actually caught myself using the rear brake much more than with a normal motorcycle, just because it's so convenient, especially when you go a little bit too fast in the corner. Then I rather use the rear brake a little bit more than the front brake. So yeah, I quite use it quite often, I reckon.
Yeah, so the modularity of the motor, that actually comes into it. You don't touch any of the electric components. You just take off this little cover with 2 bolts, and then you get direct access to the caliper and the pads without touching the electrics again. So you can see here, we've got everything exposed, the brake disc, and then you just take this little cover off. Modularity being the key for our motor, as we've said in all of our marketing. And this is it.
That's a big old motor, isn't it? I was waiting for it downstairs. Wow!
It's light, right? Yeah.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Is it a alley rim?
You think it's ain't got the weight?
Oh, it's carbon.
The carbon, yeah.
Oh, right.
That's why I'm going to
I'm glad you'll do that. That's nuts. Technology these days. Technology, yeah.
Well, and the swing arm is like quite light too.
Oh, that just breaks
Yeah, you just bolt it on. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I got you. And I suppose you width as well. These are slices of something.
Yeah, just magnets.
Yeah.
So what company is that builds the motor?
Donut Lab.
Yeah, and they're from the UK, right?
They're based in the UK at the moment.
Yeah.
They've come out of Verge Motorcycles as like a sister company, and now they operate on their own. They've got a whole wide range of donuts.
And they put them into cars and like all sorts of
so they've got
vehicles.
21 inch, which goes into a car. Then
One
you've
wheel.
got- yeah, 1 wheel. And then you've
Crazy
got
power.
3 inch for like drones, maybe like what's the thing that goes on water, jet skis, things like that. Then you've got helicopters for you just attach rotors to it, things like this. They're doing some crazy projects which are really, really going to affect the way we operate both land, air, and on the road.
Awesome. So yeah, this is actually a universal module. Like it goes into anything. Like, and imagine this on the car. You have 4 of them. It must be absolutely insane. But yeah, it was so easy, even for me to do it. Well, I had the help of the guys. Obviously, they told me what to do. But I reckon if I would have to do that somewhere by myself, it's pretty straightforward actually. It's just a few bolts. Now we just have to
Change the rubber.
Hey Nathan, no pressure.
No pressure, it's only carbon.
Yeah. It's just like 5 cameras. The only thing that is a bit difficult about this is because the rim is carbon fiber, so you have to be very, very careful, but I'm sure it's gonna make it.
You get maybe 240s coming in here. But that.
We've got to do it again, yeah? We've got to do it again, yeah?
This is the worst. Can I help? Can I
So the tricky part of this whole thing is the carbon fiber, because you have to be very careful with it. But other than that, we almost have it off. But now comes the easy part, right, Nathan?
Yeah.
Do I attack it from the other end as well?
Nope.
There we go.
That wasn't so hard, was it?
Ah, it's easy.
Shred. Now we've got to do this. Definitely needs to be an asterisk.
Worry about the paint work again.
Yeah, easy. Ooh, go on. Go on. Yeah. Boom.
Just the noises it makes.
Not too proud of me.
Okay, we got it off.
Cool. It's off.
Easy as that.
It's still good. There was plenty of thread left. Can't even see through.
Didn't do enough donuts, Mark.
Yeah.
Difficult or awkward? Awkward. Awkward.
Yeah, especially when there's like 3 cameras.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very awkward, I know.
2 cameras and a supervisor.
Yeah. And a shirtless dude.
Need to get up.
Professional holder. Oh, that's what I'm going to come.
Oh, thank
Finally,
God.
use.
You found your calling.
I know, right?
Yeah. Well, it is a massive tire, so.
Not a lot of sidewall either.
Yeah.
It's off the bead, isn't it?
Whoosh! We're on.
So on.
Well, it does make some crackling sounds that sound really wrong, but we got it on.
Are we expecting a pop?
Yeah, well, it's gonna pop.
Hey!
It's very handy that you have a video that
Yeah, of how to do it. 11 Newton meters are for the motor. Perfect. Let's go a little bit faster. Or no, here we see. Left side swing arm, yeah. Same. Pre-tighten them. And that's 50.
well, 15,000 people know how to do it.
Yeah,
Easy.
Easy.
There's some key stuff for you.
Well, I'll just do that. You only need one drop. That is enough. How many are there? Like, it must be like 20, right? Okay, so 20 times this.
Do you want me to keep doing that while you put them in?
Well, yeah.
There you go. So inadvertently, I'm now involved.
Yeah, but I do it myself still. I just do busy work.
Would it be wrong if I said we should be wearing gloves, or am I going to get a bad reaction on
I don't
YouTube
know.
for that?
Who wears gloves? No, but mechanics actually do wear gloves. They all have these, like the fancy mechanics, they all have these doctor gloves, like these rubber gloves. It's fun when you don't have to do it alone. Like you just can hang out. But just hang out, you know? It's just like some dudes, shirtless, working on bikes.
This might be the last time I'm involved.
Mate, seriously, you never want to change the tire ever again, or
I'm a generous man. I'm a generous man.
Well, there is a time and a place, but not with Loctite.
with Loctite.
We'll never be able to get those off again.
This is why you call professionals, Mark.
Jesus.
That's why Nathan was in the video.
Okay, gotcha.
I was just being a nice guy.
That's why I'm in the video, because you need to have at least one professional, okay? So, and that would be me then. In this case.
No.
Yeah, okay, that's a little bit better.
Brilliant. I've now become the Joker.
How many have you done?
I'll do two-handed now. Like, I got a bit more professional. Hey, do you want to help out? Yeah, do you want to help out? No, I couldn't be bothered. Well, that's actually the most complicated part here. Like,
what size hex is it? 30.
yeah, probably. No, but actually the rim is fine too. Like, I can't really see damage.
No.
Well, I would have expected it to be like all scratched up and everything, but it's not. That's actually cool. I think it's just scary, the whole carbon fiber thing. It's just a scary thing to do. But if you know that it's going to make a sound, that should be fine, actually. Well, yeah, on a normal wheel, you just have one bolt. I guess.
But you don't have chains or
Yeah, that is true. Well, it's gonna be the argument like, why they make it so complicated? Okay, so this is a torque wrench and this is like
why I
quite a
should
fancy
stay
one. I
away
don't know
from
how to operate it, but it
mechanical
should be
shit.
easy. Let's just do it. Is it when it vibrates or when it beeps?
When it goes green on the
Ah, it goes
when
green.
it vibrates and beeps, it's like somewhere near.
Ah, yeah, okay. Because it starts beeping right away.
So
Yeah. And then it vibrates. Okay, so yeah,
I think this is the next bit, the boomerang.
Spencer, you could have cleaned it. but yeah, it just didn't, right? It just
As you were doing that, I went off
yeah.
to clean my hands.
Oh, there were these ones. They. I'm really good at it. Well, I suppose I could just.
Are they?
No, don't help me. Don't you dare helping me now. Wait, no, I'll do it different. I'll do it my way. I'll figure it out. Yeah, we did already. Spence did. So, do it like so. Do it like this. Easy. So there's shorter ones and longer ones. I hope this is the right ones. Yeah. Would be. Well, you forgot one.
Did your assistant fail you?
Yes, again. Strike 2. Spence, where's my tools?
Which tools?
Oh yeah. Okay. Thanks, man. So, but I need the adapter for it. Yeah, I'll take it. Okay, but I do it until it vibrates. I think that, or maybe it's too tight. And that's how it's, so now I have to screw this up. But yeah, that's how it's done. And you know what I like? That this is all like metal stuff. Yeah, on my old bike that was all plastic. Didn't like that so much.
Do you mind if I got him in it as well? Are you bothered?
That I'm in the video.
Yeah.
No, it's just don't like to have you in the video.
I know, that's why I'm a clown. Loctite has proved me to be the worst mechanic of them
Mr.
all.
Loctite cannot be in the video. No, of course, he should be in the videos. Outshot was even better, like for the 7% female that watch my videos. It's actually quite a lot, 7%. I'm quite proud of that,
So
actually.
the question is, Mark, when are you taking your shirt off?
1 million subscribers.
Don't say that.
I'll take off my shirt. Well, men will unsubscribe. They won't want to see that.
So literally the last few bolts now.
Yeah. I think now we're done. So I think we're good now.
So never want to get on the wrong side of a man's tools.
All right, that was the rear tire done. Now we have to do the front, and then we're all good. Yeah. All right, that was easy. Wow, good job, man. Look at that. Yeah, much better. Would be interesting. Oh. Well, that was stupid. But yeah, they look quite good after 6,000 miles. Not too bad, actually. I broke my brake lever. Is it lever or is it lever? Lever, right? My brake lever. I broke it when I dropped the bike. I didn't drop the bike, the wind dropped the bike. So, but I can replace that now. That's awesome. All right, we're good to go. Back on the road. Awesome.
Whoop. Whoop. Get the door. There you go, space.
Break anything? Might as well plug it in there, right?
Yeah.
Do you have DC yet?
Yeah.
Awesome. You have everything.
All the stuff, all the gear.
It's like you would sell these things, right? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Really?
Just give it a go, see.
Yeah.
Straight away.
Yeah. Well, sure. It says preparing now, so
There you go.
did the thing, yeah.
Interesting.
No,
Is it-
sometimes
so
it
he's
takes a
looking-
while.
Is it locked?
Yeah, it's locked.
What's that? Is it?
Well, the thing is,
You can hear it ticking, yeah.
No, that's the fan.
we're getting no juice though.
Problem is.
Okay, stop.
Yeah.
Do it again, do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll turn it on. Off. Did you like it?
Man, she's got some go.
Yeah, right.
Jesus. That, I think, is the fastest bike I've ridden.
Yeah.
I think that knocks the socks off the energy because
Yeah.
that acceleration is nuts.
I think so too.
That's. I mean, there's other bits that there's room for improvement, but acceleration, that's pokey. In fact, the front end's just going. And that regen, I really like the regen level.
Yeah, it's in beast mode. Yeah.
Yeah, I really like that.
So now that everybody tried out the bike, we'll give it a quick wash and then I'll be back on my way. What a great day that was. All right, guys. It was so cool.
Next time,
Yeah, I'll see you in Estonia. Alex,
catch you later.
oh, it was awesome. Thanks for having me here. Nathan, thanks for everything. Good job, man. Thanks for not breaking it. It's awesome. Now, I'll be on my way. I'll be here again when I come back to the UK. Ah. We'll have to turn it off again after charging. Well, that's something to work on because that is a bit annoying. But that is just a software thing, right? Okay, bike's broken. Sorry. Okay. Bye, guys. That was really lovely, was it? I really enjoyed it. Cool dudes here too. It's amazing. What a cool spot to have a shop, right? It's awesome. Now we'll have to take it very easy with the new tires. I'm going to be heading towards London now, visiting a friend. I'm quite excited to be back on the road. Everything works awesome. And yeah, guys, I mean, it wasn't quite as complicated as people thought it would be, right? Like, it's pretty straightforward. Surely you have to be super careful with the carbon rim, and you just have to tell the people that change your tires, hey, this is carbon fiber. Maybe be a little bit extra careful. It's gonna make some cracking noise, but that's about all that it was. So it was quite cool. And the guys from Verge, as well as the guys from the electric motor company, so cool people. And they all try and make it happen, you know. I know it's not easy for any electric bike dealer, and they are the only fully electric bike dealer in the UK. If you're in the area around London, just check them out if you want to buy a motorcycle. They're really cool dudes. I have to be so careful now with these tires. Alright guys, I'm just topping up a little bit so I don't arrive like super empty at my friend's house. I think I'm gonna end the video for today. Just don't want to film anymore when I arrive. I'm super happy that I could do most of the work. That was super awesome. And yeah, let's see how long these tires will last. Bike is cleaned, so that's all good. It was just a really fun day. Really lifted my spirits again, hanging out with the guys. I'm gonna be leaving the UK soon. I'm going to be bringing the bike back home. Not to Finland, but to Estonia, to the factory. I'm going to visit that one. And I'll probably go via Denmark and Sweden, so that's going to be interesting. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And I'll see you in the next video.